So in this video we will understand how we can sign up for the Shopify account. You will open your Shopify website and you can click start for free. After this page will load, it will ask you for the email ID and the password. When you add the email ID and password, it will bring it to you this page. Here you will add your personal information and your card detail. Once you fill it, this will take you to the Shopify dashboard. Here it will ask you option that which option you want to choose. This an online store. If you want to sell only online items, you can choose this one. This in person or a retail store, like if you have already a business and you want to sell with Shopify, you can choose this one. And here there is more options, but we will choose an online store and we will click next. So it will ask you that you already have a business or you have a new business idea. So if you already have a business, you can click this one, and if you have a new business idea, you can click this one and you will click next. After that, you have to choose the product which you want to sell. You are doing the drop shipping of the product. So you can choose, like if you are doing the drop shipping, you can choose this one. If you are doing print on demand service, you can choose this one. If you are selling any services like online classes, housekeeping, anything, you can choose this one. So you can, right now I will choose this one, so I make it by myself. And here you can choose the store name. Like I have business name that is Ahmed Card, so you can make your own. After finish, this will make the website for you and keep the dashboard ready. So it's already bring us to the Shopify dashboard. As you can see, it's already loaded. So once you make the payment, it will not show here. After that, you can check your orders from here, and products which you will upload it will show here. Customers, if you want to add the customer data. Marketing, if you want to run any discount or something. Then content, if you want to upload any videos, something. Okay, and analyst, you can check. When you click the online store, it will show the demo store version of your So in the next video we will go through these all options one by one. As you can see, there is draft, there is checkout. When I click the product, it can show the collection, inventory, purchase order. This I will explain in upcoming videos. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you will not lose any update from our side.